Okay, we're gonna do a tour of the warehouse. I could not be more excited to show this to you. So here we go. We have our giant garage door. And when you walk in, we've got the shop over here to the right. This is still a work in progress. We have got to get this a little bit more organized, but everything else is pretty close. So we have our shipping department over here. So we've got our big table, work table to get all of our orders out. Those are orders going out the door today. And then pan over here, we got all of our box storage and whatnot. Another entrance. We've got our Personify leadership area over here to the right. Stuff sacks. And then we've got all of our big storage up here for when we get in lots of pallets worth of, those are all of our extra stuff sacks. Those are extra thumb balls that come in when we order those in bulk. Here is our new fancy, actually it's not new, this is our old work table, but we have given it a fresh coat of paint, added all of our webbing and rope cutting station, bars and things like that to it. And nothing makes me feel more like a grown-up. Like I bought my own warehouse ladder. I'm just gonna point that out. And I don't know why that brings me joy, but it does. And then we've got all of our bags that all of our kits go in. More storage of excess rope, things like that. This is where we build out our spiderweb kits. There's one of the staff who've already got a kit in progress in order for an order going out. Our thumb ball storage. This is our old school card catalog where we keep all of our tags alphabetized. So, because all of our kits, every single activity has a tag that goes on it that tells you what goes in the kit or what inside that stuff sack. Here's our team building from the toy aisle section and a bunch of other areas as well. There's our body part debrief bins. And then we also have, we don't have everything labeled yet, but our wheelie storage, lots of other things as well. More carts for the staff to get orders built out on. Here's our books, all of our amazing books from all the authors in the team building field. Well, not all, but a lot of the authors in the team building field. Got a little kitchenette. And then we've got offices over here. We've got Shelly's office in there. Hi, Shelly. And Janine's gonna be in here in her office. There's Janine, she works at Personify. And then this office here is going to be my office. Right now it's storage because it's gonna take me a little time to get to slow roll into that. So that is the short tour of the Training Wheels new warehouse. We're so excited.